Hey YouTube, welcome back. Problem number 206. In this problem, you're given the head of a single linked list, and your task is to reverse the list in place and return the new head. So if you can see this example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, return 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. How we can solve that? We can solve this in 3 steps. We will reverse the pointers of each node one by one. I guess we can use 3 pointers in this one. So in the first step, we will use 3 pointers. We call it prev, current, and next. In the second step, we will traverse the list. Basically, when we are traversing the list, we will store next node. We'll store next node. After that, we reverse current next to point to the previous. Okay, and after that we will move the previous and current forward, and one by one we will reverse the full list, and after that we will return previous or the prev as the new head. How it will work? It's pretty simple. So we will use our 3 pointers. So let make the 1 minute. Let me delete all of that so the code will be up. Yeah, okay. So we have let previous will equal null. Okay, and let current will equal node will equal head, and we will have, we could use a while loop here while current is not null, so there is something to loop through. So here I would say let next will equals current dot next. How we traverse, it's a pretty easy. So we reverse the pointer. So current dot next will equals whatever we have in the previous. And after that, the previous will point to the current. And after that, current will equals the next node, and we will starting do the next node, only next, no next node. There is no next node, and we return previous. It's really simple. So let's submit the code. Submit it and see if it worked or not. It did work. Okay, that's great. So if we want to do this step by step, but I guess if we're doing this step by step, it will be way more easy for us to understand the problem. So if we start here, okay. So first we have the previous will equal null, and the current will equals the head. So basically current will equals 1, and when we go through the while loop, next will equals current to the next. So next will equals 2. Okay. So then we will make our first iteration. 1 will be point to null because it's the end, and we will update the previous here. The previous will equals it will equals current the next, so previous equals 1, and current will equals 2. Okay, and we continue looping again, and we will keep going. Basically, when have the next will current the next, so current the next will be equals 3. So the previous current the next the previous here. So we will end by 3.2.2.1. Okay, and and I guess the previous will equals 3 when we move forward. So this is how it works. I guess it's a pretty easy problem, and if you know the 3 pointers trick, you will solve this problem in no time. So that's it for this video, and see you in the future.